Hello everyone, let's look at our words. Our first word today is kismet. It's a noun. Let's read the definition. Destiny. Synonym and antonym. Synonym, fate. Antonym, coincidence. Sentence. When the pretty girl he'd noticed on the bus sat next to him in economic class, the smitten boy knew it was kismet. Word number 2. Exonerate. Exonerate, verb. Definition, remove blame or guilt for a wrongdoing. Synonym, clear, erase. Antonym, condemn, convict. Sentence. After DNA evidence was used to show that the suspect was never at the crime scene, he was exonerated and released from prison. Word number 3. Altruism, noun. Definition, selfless act. Synonym, philanthropy. Antonym, greed. Sentence. In an act of pure altruism, an anonymous donor paid the college expenses of the entire senior class. Word number 4. Myopic. Definition, so focused on one small thing that the whole picture can't be seen. Synonym, short-sighted. Antonym, thoughtful, wise. Sentence. Historians have been criticized for their myopic viewpoint that most medical advancements came from Europe. And our fifth and last word of the day is galvanize. Verb. Definition, shock or excite, typically into taking action. Synonym, jolt, inspire. Antonym, depress, deter. Sentence. The candidate's speech galvanized the young voters to work to change the unjust law. Wonderful. I will talk to you very soon.